Hello, I'm Joshua Farnsworth and welcome to my traditional woodworking school here in Earlysville, Virginia. And in this video I'm excited to share with you a new tool maker that I've found who makes some of the best hand saws for some of the best prices I've seen anywhere. I wanted to share it with you. Some of you may remember a video I did a few months ago about the comparison between two of the more popular brands of mid-range dovetail saws, the lie-nielsen and the Veritas. And someone that follows the videos that I do notified me of a new tool maker named Erik up in Michigan that started Florup Toolworks. And I looked at his website and was really surprised by his prices. I think the prices were about $80 to $90 then. It might be a little bit more now. But the saws looked more like a $200 to $250 hand saw that you'll find on the market. So I contacted him to ask him some questions. He actually sent me a couple saws to try out, a dovetail saw like this one right here. Actually, maybe it was this walnut handled one. And I think he calls this his bench panel saw or bench saw. And I was amazed. What amazed me was how he could afford to sell a saw like this for the price he was selling. I think at the time when I bought 4 other ones from him for my school, I think they were probably around $89. It might have gone up by about $10, which is still a fantastic deal. And you can see the lie-nielsen that I kind of chose in the last video is my favorite. I actually like these even better than the lie-nielsen, and they're a bit cheaper too. You can see the difference in the handles here. The lie-nielsen one's quite a bit more machined. You can see how it's flat here, and this has obviously had much more time spent on shaping these handles. So I asked him how he could afford to manufacture these saws and sell them at this price. And so he got to tell me about his history. He's a retired Marine in the United States Marine Corps, and all this. I'll put his biography on the accompanying blog post if you want to go there and check it out. But he told me that after he got out of the Marines, he had gotten into woodworking while in the Marines, but after he got out of the Marines, he had a hard time finding affordable dovetail saws, so he decided to get into that. And so he came up with a manufacturing process that would allow him to be able to sell higher end saws for more affordable prices. So I am super excited about this, and I've actually had my students try them out. I've got a lot of different brands of dovetail saws here, including ones that I've made, and they really like these. These are kind of their favorite. They're hand sharpened, hand set, nice brass backs, nice shaped handles, the nice brass nuts, traditional brass nuts, and they just feel really good in the hand. It's got a nice hang, good balance to it. And for the most part, all the students that come through here that try the different hand saws, they decide that they like these. Well, I encourage you to go check out the Florup Toolworks website and check out his saws and support somebody like this. I love encouraging people who are willing to give really great quality at an affordable price. That's a huge deal in my book. So thanks for watching.
This is Joshua Farnsworth. If you're interested in learning traditional woodworking with hand tools, visit my website at woodandshop.com, where you can find free video tutorials, workshop tours of amazing traditional woodworkers, and tool buying guides. You can ask questions and share your projects with thousands of woodworkers on my free traditional woodworking forum. Make sure you subscribe to my regular blog posts, and also check out my 10 steps for getting started in traditional woodworking. Enjoy!